building
Who else really trying to fuck with Hollywood Code? I'm with Marley G, bro, flying Holly Grove chicks to my Hollywood shows. And I wanna tell you something that you probably should know. This that Slumdog Millionaire Bollywood flow. And my real friends never hearing from me. Fake friends write the wrong answers on the mirror for me. That's why I pick and choose. I don't get shit confused. I got a small circle. I'm not with different crews. We walk the same path, but got on different shoes. Live in the same building, but we got different views. I got a couple cars I never get to use. Don't like my women single. I like my chicks in twos. And these days, all the girls is down the road. I hit the strip club and all them bitches find a pole. Plus I've been sipping, so the shit is moving kinda slow. Just tell my girl to tell a friend that it's time to go.
Now tell me how you love it. You know you at the top and only heaven's right above it. We own. It's young money, motherfucker. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright. Now somebody show some money in this bitch. And I got my bees with me like some honey in this bitch. You dig? I got my gun in my boot purse and I don't bust back because I shoot first. Meet me on the fresh train. Yes, I'm in the building. You just on the list of guest names. And all of my riders do not give a fuck. X Games. Guns turn you boys into pussies. Sex change. And I smoke till I got chest pains. And you niggas know I rep my gang like Jesse James. Women are possessive and they wanna possess Wayne. I've been fly so long I fell asleep on the fucking plane. Skinny pants and some Vans. Call me Triple A, get my advance in advance. Amen. As the world spinning, dance in my hands. Life is a beach, I'm just playing in the sand. Wake up and smell a pussy. You niggas can't see me, but never overlook me. I'm on the paper trail and ain't no telling where it took me. Yeah, and I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Now tell me how you love it. You know you at the top and only heaven's right above it. We own. It's young money, motherfucker. If you ain't running with it, run from it, motherfucker. Alright. Now somebody show some money in this bitch. And I got my bees with me like some honey in this bitch. You dig? I got my gun in my boot purse and I don't bust back because I shoot first. How do he say was never said? Beautiful black woman, I bet that bitch look better red. Limping off tour cause I made more off my second leg. Motherfucking Birdman Jr., 11th grade. Ball on automatic start. I can hand it to Drake or do a quarterback draw. Wildcat offense, check the paw prints. We in the building, you niggas in apartments. Now come on, be my blood donor. Flow so nice, you ain't gotta put a rug on her. Do it big and let the small fall under that. Damn, where you stumble at? From where they make gumbo at? Hang got the fucking beat jumping like a jumping jack. And you know me.
Yo, yo. What up, chat? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, man? You don't have news today. What am I gonna put here? Guess this? There's really no focus. It went from hype to this. What? All right. All right, chat. So, today is October 27, 2022. You have 2 days left this week, or yeah, basically a day and a half left this week to trade. So starting off with let's do the analysis real quick. So we have today, you have 8:15 euro news. Yeah, are those interest rates for euro dollar? I think it's interest rates, right? Yeah, interest rates for euro dollar at 8:15. Weird timing. 8:15. Wow, I've never seen that before for euro. And then you have advanced GDP, and then obviously later on you got some more USD folders, orange folders, right? So you have a lot of folders at 8:30. It should be a pretty volatile day. Should be a pretty interesting day. But yeah, let's get on the charts real quick. So starting off with the weekly on gold here. The weekly, as you can see, has it's kind of in this, again, it's in this mix right now, in this bubble from basically here to here in this range. Can't really do much about it as of yet. You're just at the support, and with us closing out support, I would expect us to continue up for the rest of the week to tap the resistance at the 69 mark, cent 100 mark. However, I believe the day bias is bearish. No, it's bullish. Sorry, yeah. So we are bullish there, I guess, as well off the daily. You did close above this range here off the daily. So what I would expect today is after bottom wick is being created, which is what's happening right now, we should be able to continue up towards like the 77 mark. This range going up is around 120 pips for a day. It's not too bad. As for the small time frame, again, this is just the higher time frame, the daily and weekly, right? But you need the small time frame to align as well. And in order for me to take buys today off of the small time frame, I would probably wait for closures above, let's see, there are resistance here at 1664. So I believe this is your next resistance here. And right now you're currently sitting at the support level. Yeah, you're currently at the support level off of 30. So as for buys today, I mean, the thing about this is that you have range to sells below here, below 1659, right? Because this is a range 2 break already. You had this up here as a range 1, right? So this is your range 1, and then this is your range 2. So technically anything below here is your range 3. So this is already a range 2 breakout. If you break below, right? So I guess you can say those would be the sells if you were to go against the trend to or the day buys today. And then as for buys, honestly, I would prefer buys above here, above 1669 here. I prefer buys above there. These sells aren't bad at all though. Anything below 1659 should take us down towards the next support, which is going to be around the 1655 mark. So that range going down is around 35 to 4 pip range going down. It's not too bad. Again, range is around 46 pips. All right, so I'll wait for a close below there for more sells. Until then, we're just sitting in this range here. All right, so pretty straightforward day, to be honest. Pretty straightforward day. Sells don't look bad. I believe sells do look a little bit cleaner today, just because the traffic you have is a bit cleaner, right? You have this clean traffic and you have this clean traffic over here, so it's not too bad. Yeah, wait for that. As for GJ, as you can see, GJ for the weekly is bullish, strongly bullish, right? I mentioned on Monday that since we closed above 166079, that we should continue up towards next resistance at 172606. Again, this range going up for the week was like around a 500 pip range going up. This is my target, 172606. So keeping that in the back of my mind for the weekly. As the day starts to close bullish as well, I would expect the day to drive up. However, they come down and break the lows today, so things get interesting, right? Because technically, since we're above this range here, at any given point, you can just drive up towards next daily resistance, right? Which is going to be like somewhere up here at the 171293 mark. However, price didn't really drive up towards that resistance level just yet. But today's candle opened up, didn't really have a top wick, just came all the way down, and broke the daily lows now. So since you're breaking daily lows, this could mean that, okay, you may be breaking structure off the daily, and at any given point you can come down today, right? So if you look at the 4 hour time frame, it makes sense too. The 4 hour candle, this one currently that we're in, closed bearish back into the range here, right? As you can see, it closed below these levels here. I guess you can say this candle here came up, created a topic for the previous 4 hour candle, and then now that it's flipping bearish, it's a high chance that it can do something like this on a 4 hour candle, right? You can feel that wick looking left. So this is what I'm expecting for the 4 hour candle on GJ, coming down towards that 168,600 mark. So pretty bearish right now for the day. As for positions, however, I would probably wait for this 1 hour candle to close up in about a minute here, because if this is your resistance here on GJ, right, and you close bearish here, there's a high chance you can come down to retest the lows, because this is the range that you're in right now off the 1 hour time frame, right? If the 1 hour is closing bearish at resistance here, I prefer it can close a bit lower. I prefer if it closes like something like this, 169, 110 would be perfect. If you close like that on this 1 hour candle, I would expect the next 1 hour candle to drive down as well off the breakout lows. So something like this would be ideal for the next 4 hour candle, all right, or for the next 1 hour candle, sorry, not the 4 hour candle. But yeah, this is what I'm expecting for sells and for the next 1 hour candle. It's just that, it's just if we can close below here in about 48 seconds here, right? It looks like gold's uncloses bearish as well. So let's see, both look pretty interesting right now. Both look pretty clean. It's a matter of we could close bearish here and then create a topic, obviously, right? But we might get a trade here real quick. So GJ sell stops potentially. Let's see, the 4 breakout lows is where, right there, right? So stops gonna be around 39 pips. Goddamn, 39 pips on the breakout lows. However, this wick fill gives you 9. Yeah, this wick fill also stops only like 31 pips. Okay, not bad. 169, 110. Uh, 169, 410, 414. Yeah, I'm gonna try to play sell stops here, chat. 169, 110. 169, 110. Yeah, 169 one time Blueberry Markets. TP is gonna be 169,454. And stop loss is gonna be 169,414. Wait. TP is 168,454. I'm like, what? Why can't I enter that? Makes sense. There we go. So the whole idea behind this trade here is GJ created a low during London, right? So we came down, you created a low during London last night, and then price came up, created a high. So this is basically just a range formed here from here to here, right? So this is a range formed, and now we're closing bearish here at resistance. There's a high chance that this could be the high for price to drive back down to retest the lows, right? And as it retests the lows, it can look to drive down, continue down as well towards the next support. So this is what the trade is based off of, really. Pretty straightforward trades. It's just the onion play. Let me go my spreadsheet real quick and show you guys. I see something real quick. Let's see. Oops, let me just put this here in case you guys are confused. Yeah, so we have stops at 169, 110, all right? Self stops here on GJ. can relate to. Oh shit, I'm muted. I was saying is yeah, so what I'm looking at is B point to be somewhere around here, because at this level you have a lot of rejections looking left there, right? So a lot of rejections there looking left going across, so anywhere in the zone will be BE. I'll probably around a 9-10 pip mark anyways. And then as for partial closures, let you guys know what I do during the trade. But overall, like yeah, stop losses break at lows, TP is down here, and stop losses appears kind of high. But it I did gold close too. I wanted to check. Oh no, close right at support. Yeah. Is your friends in blue markets, or you have another broker? I got blue markets. What? That was previous 1 hour or previous 1 hour? Previous 1 hour. What's the difference between the previous 1 hour and the previous? How many pips is that difference? 7? 6? It's the risk 2000. Wait, there's only 2000. I can just move it up to here. Yeah, previous condom. Yeah, I probably move it to the previous count. It's like a 4 pip difference. And just update that. 6949. If it breaks the highs, you just delete the sell stops, right? Pretty straightforward. But no one should be activated yet. Damn, this cough. Oh, you broke the highs. You didn't break the 4 highs just yet. I got sell stop still here, but if you obviously break our highs here, we just delete the sell stops, right? And this is what's so great about trading, because you just have ideas out planned, and if you're not impulsive, you wouldn't have entered there. You would have waited for a top wick, right? No one should have had entries there, and never flip bearish. All right, and then you just delete the idea onto the next idea. But that's it. That's if it breaks. Let's see. You don't really know what's gonna happen yet, right? And then gold still. I mean, I guess you can say gold still has a chance to drive down here, but I want to see a clear closure below 65.9 today. I really want to see a clear closure. Maybe this next 30-minute count will close below, but the 4 hour count is pretty clean on gold too. My broker only allows 20x on trading, so I'm gonna move my broker. I'm confused. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Turbo. You've been here for like 2 years almost, right? Yo, do you recognize me? Yeah, I recognize you. Yo, chat, as I was saying, like this trade here, or this trade idea. Well, we're gonna delete the sell stops now, anyways. But yeah, you broke the highs, right? Oh wait, Marcos, what up?
She moved out of state and shit that went left. She seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone and start up a business.
Yo, 10 months, let's get it. Hey, yo, see you tomorrow, bro. Yo, chat, yeah, gonna delete the sell stops here, guys. We broke the highs, so if I take it, if we take sells, I mean, I guess definitely still break the lows and drive, but or flip bearish, but stops are just a little too wide here now. I'm gonna delete and maybe wait for another bearish closure back into the range later. So deleting the sell stops here, as you can see, and we're gonna wait for 7:30 here. Okay. Why does it feel like we lost a trade when we didn't take a trade? Yeah, deleting the sell stops here, chat. We broke the highs. Now we just keep waiting for more sells. So sells below here. Yeah, as for like buys today, I'll look for buys maybe above his range here isn't too bad here. Above 169 from 915 here. Anything above there wouldn't be too bad for buys. Above there going up towards this range here, top of the range again, that wouldn't be too bad of an idea. But until then though, like we're just gonna be, this is a no trade range for me, right? Anything below here is valid for sells. Anything above here is valid for buys. But whatever's in this zone, from 169.341 to 169.915 is a no trade range. But my bro doesn't use lots, didn't use the amount I put in entrance dollars leverage. 120. I mean, yeah, no, I never experienced a broker with that, so I can't even give you a clear answer, to be honest, man. I can't give you a clear answer. I've never experienced a broker that didn't let me put lots in. 10 months. Okay, would you consider it as a range to break on minute 30? Could be, yeah. If you close above, yeah. I think I have as one range though. I think, right? I have it as one range here based off of this. This is one range for me. Is that the same for a trade, chat? I couldn't even explain the trade before. I think we didn't have time, but it was basically just it was a 1 hour candle, so 79%. 1 hour fake out 78. Current high or low, so 78, 79 off the 1 hour, 78 off the fake out, and off the current high or low of 78. So this trade here exactly was 100% winning trade. It was a 1 hour fake out, current high or low, right? So that's a 100% winning trade for us this year. If we were to get activated, but unfortunately it broke the high, so we didn't get activated, right? So but yeah, that would have been a trade. Pretty high accurate trade, high accuracy trade, high probability winning trade. There you go. That's what I was looking for. I'm new here. Why use two operators? Because marking up NT5 is complete garbage for me. I don't like markup NT5. I never did, never will. So I use trading view to mark up, but I just use NT5 to execute. Obviously, right? What number do you consider a good spread? I mean, right now, Blueberry got the good spreads, man. They got 1.5 pips, 1.2 to be exact on gold. And GJ is pretty high right now, though. GJ is pretty high right now. I think because you have news very soon, right? But GJ is pretty high right now. And usually it'll be like below, it'll be like maybe below 1 pip. It'll be like 0.7. Right now it's 1.2, 1.3, which is pretty high. I'm not too sure why it's high right now, but usually it'll be a bit lower. Yeah, chat. Anyways, sorry for the chaotic intro today. We had a late start, and then we had a off the rip. We had a sell stop. So, but yeah, welcome guys. Welcome back to the streams. So what day is it today? Thursday. So tomorrow's Friday. Tomorrow's not leave for New York, but hopefully like I'll see if I can stream tomorrow morning. I'll see, but I'll let you guys. Honestly, I'm just gonna put it on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram yet, I'm just posting on Instagram like after the stream or a couple hours later into the day to see if I'm a stream or not. All right, I'll let you guys know. But yeah, because I might get a dip, bro. I might get a dip. You get likes? Yo, for real, the bank's gonna give you guys an entry because he doesn't even like, man. You have 81 likes. What is that? That's disgraceful. Come on, chat. It's free. There's no charge. How are we gonna have 81 likes? 83. Come on. All you gotta do is, you know, it's quick. If you guys could put a self stop on MT5, you guys can leave a like, man. Like, come on. You know how much work it takes to put a self stop on MT5 versus leaving a like? All you gotta do is come down here and press a like, you know, and done. That's it. Self stop, you gotta go market, open order, sell stops, enter the price, enter the sell stop. On top of that, you guys ask me questions like, yo, Don, what's the TP, what's the stop loss? If you can ask me a question, what's the TP, what's the stop loss, you can definitely leave a like on the stream. It's a bit quicker than that. There's so many fake accounts to you. I know I'm on block, so I can't see them, but it's funny because when I go on my other account, I'm like, ah, shit, there's like 20 different accounts. It's Donvo. It's ridiculous. The chat, 200 likes, chat. 50 more likes. We can do it. Oh fuck, I'm muted. What was that? How long was that muted for? I was saying if you go on Instagram chat, you go on it's Donvo. Yeah, you see like 20 accounts. I don't know, man, but I guess it's a good thing because we're that popular, huh? But nah, like if you get scammed by those accounts, you shouldn't be trading FX, bro. That's just a sign, you know. It's 2022, bro. You gotta learn to put pieces together. Everyone got a fake account. Any celebrity out there, not that I call myself celebrity, but like anyone out there that has, you know, a decent following on Instagram has a fake account. This is how it works nowadays. You can't avoid it. It's just how social media works. This is what social media is, bro. It's free to make an account. Of course people are gonna make accounts. Of course people are gonna try to use your name to scam. Of course it's gonna happen. You can't avoid it. So I see that's a compliment, bro. I mean, at the end of the day, all they're doing is really just following everyone that I follow, or yo, I don't even know why they. No, they follow everyone that follows me, and then they just DM them. And then they started making a fake account for this one too. I started getting a fake account for my personal account too. So I'm like, okay, this is annoying now, because now they're messaging all my like people I actually follow in real life, right? So it's like, you trade in December? Yeah, I do. I trade in December every year. Corver was good last year. Yeah, Corver wasn't bad last year. It wasn't bad last year. I think it was good until the last, like, honestly, it was good throughout the whole year. I don't think I slowed down that much. But I mean, every year changes, right? Because I think the year in 2019 was pretty bad. It was very bad. 2020 was okay. 2021 was a bit better than 2020, and then 2022 is this year, obviously, right? So let's see how it goes this year. But that's from my experience. So it changes throughout the years, but hopefully it's not as bad this time. It doesn't seem too bad yet. Like, things aren't slowing down yet. Like, if everything's this core 4 volume, it's definitely not. It's the same shit that's been happening all year. This is just normal market cycles, right? Or normal market conditions right now. Like, it hasn't even slowed down yet. If you think it's slowing down. Yeah, and also people ask like, yo, Don, is this your fake account? I get DMs like that all day, but like, it's like, bro, why would I have an underscore in my name? Like, why would I have an underscore in my name, or a lowercase, or a 0? Like, it's just, it's Don Vo. That's it. But why would I have, you know, underscores or periods or in my name? It doesn't make any sense. Also, yeah, why would I be asking to for Bitcoin, bro? Why? And why would I flip it in 24 hours and give you back 100K? You know, that's not how the world works, my guy. No, I'm you know, like I give a lot of free game out, but I ain't doing that. You think I'm gonna message all my followers? Like, what makes, you know, like, there's like a 40K people. You know, I'm gonna message everyone and ask them if I can flip, if I can give them 100K. If that's the case, bro, fuck, we don't gotta trade no more, man. We good. We good. Wix, what's the
deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Chat.
What's the deal, man?
Beautiful morning. How's everybody doing today? How's everybody doing? God damn it. Yeah, I'm about to fucking be done streaming, bro.
Why?
Bro, there was so much shit talking yesterday during stream.
Good.
Bro,
they saw TV get smacked. Shut them up.
I got 40 pips.
That's the best feeling. Did you hop off stream though? You did it because it was too late, right?
Yeah, I had to hop off. But I told them, I was like, look, I'm not fucking closing this unless we get this fucking closure on top. I will keep this open all night. You guys know what I'm gonna do, and let it rock.
That's how it is, bro. You get one loss, people, they love you. They call you the GOAT. Like, they call you the GOAT, right? Like, yo, Wixon, we love you so much. Thanks for the pips. You catch a loss. It's like, yo, fuck you, bro. You know how? Do you know how I trade? Like, yo, this isn't even you know, like, this isn't even an SMD strategy. Like, this is a zone. Blah 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 blah. Next thing you know, it comes down his TP, and they're like, I guess he's not too bad.
We took a sell and we saw maybe, I don't know, we saw like 16, 15 pips of drawdown.
Yeah.
But we never closed back above range. We closed bit bullish, but below our resistance. And like, look, it respected. Because you're in drawdown doesn't fucking mean we're behind in a trade. We're still very far. People are like, fuck, this is the third time I'm on here, my third loss. I was like, how? If the last time we had a trade was a loss, but the time before that was a win. So if you're here for the last 2 times, you got a win and a loss.
Unfortunately, they stream hop, so that's the reason you're not locked in.
I was like, yo, I was so confident in that thing too. I'm like, I was just sitting quietly. I was like, look, I just wanted to hit TP so I could sign off. And I'm done with these fucking questions. I'm done with it. Like, people are just talking so much shit. Like, fuck it, I'm not coming back.
That's the thing,
here.
bro. Like,
I'm like, yo, we haven't even hit stops yet. We're just in some draw. People are like, fuck it, I lost.
Like when you stream, you have to explain everything you do, and it's like they expect you to, like, I don't know, be like,
cop them pips. I know you did. Yeah, Shy, we fucking smacked yesterday's trade for 40 pips.
Yeah, it didn't come close to stop loss. They're like 20, they're like 15 pips away or something, right?
Yeah.
I didn't get in a trade. I didn't get on it. I was
But it was a clean motherfucking trade.
You know what it was, bro? You know what?
Wow, to play.
You know what it was? I didn't get in because when they broke the lows in the 1 hour candle, the 15 had no bottom wicket at the time, so I was waiting for the rebreak of lows in the 15, which it never broke the lows. It broke the lows later at 11, but by the time I broke the lows already, like, the idea was kind of gone for me, right? So I just hopped off. But like, I initially had a sell stop after, like, around the time you had it, but after I broke the lows, I think it was a break of the first count lows actually. Yeah, I didn't get any trades. I got 1 trade this week.
Yeah, number 5 for me. Hey Wix, why do we have to look up your nose? Well, I don't know, because probably you look up to me, and when you look up at somebody, at some point there's going to be an angle where my nose will be right above your eyes as you're staring up at me. But it's all right. Keep looking up to me. Someday you can be here too.
Man, you see, Wix, when you had 10 viewers, 30 viewers, it wasn't like this.
No, it was all love. Now it was damn near 400 viewers.
No, that's what happens. That's what happens. But it's alright. Like, it's just like, it's just the toxic.
I couldn't wait to get off. I was like, no, let this fucking stream end. God, please fucking smite this damn computer right off my desk.
Yeah, that's why I only have, that's why we only have 38 losses this year, or 35. Because if that 35 were swapped to 112 losses, it wouldn't be a good thing. And that's like, what, your 6th, 7th loss of the year, maybe?
No, we have 2 losses in the month, and we have, I think, 11 wins or 12 wins.
No, for the year.
YouTube also shut off my stream at exactly 10 o'clock, like right where and they're like, up, suspended for violation or some shit like that. And
it was
I
music,
didn't close
right?
the stream. I wasn't just like, fuck it, we're in drawdown, let me just end it right here. No, told you I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes and explain what I'm gonna do in this situation. And I told you, I'm not closing. We're gonna keep this trade open. I came back. I waited for YouTube to disappear, get the fuck off of our stream, and stop stream blocking. And I told you guys what we're gonna do. They still talked shit. Right as I was when I came back and I was telling you what I'm gonna do, you guys were still talking shit.
Yeah,
fucking
they're like,
toxic.
Yeah, nah. They're like, oh wow, this guy hopped off because he didn't want to explain himself no more. No. I'm coming back. I'm coming back and tell you.
No. I said no. Hold on. I'm gonna come back. Hold on. And it's a shame we lost like 100 viewers off of that, but it's all right. It's all there.
One thing I learned in this long beautiful journey that I wouldn't regret, I don't regret, is the haters. Yeah. The haters are always gonna be louder than the lovers. That's one thing I learned. Like there's always gonna be love, there's always gonna be hate, but the hate is always gonna overtake the lovers. So you gotta find a way to just avoid the haters.
Louder, right? The haters are just louder.
They're just louder, but that's a good thing because haters are also lovers as well. At the end of the day, they're your biggest supporters, bro. They watch your every move. You know how many? Do you know like there's people restricted on my Instagram DMs right now that text me every like DM me every like maybe 2-3 weeks that says you're garbage. You took this loss for 11 pips this morning. I'm like, what happened when I was winning, when we went on a little winning streak? Yeah, they'll wait until you take the loss.
For weeks, and then I take a loss. Yeah, and then I get a video from them of my loss, and then it's like, oh, look at this guy. He sucks. He took a loss today. I'm like, it's our first loss in 6 weeks, you motherfucker.
Yeah, it's just, and they just say like, oh, bro, you're not ready to train live. Like, I'm like, what? What are you talking about? And then
all that matters, like, look, we're here. The stream is live. Positions are going to be called out live. It's on you to take them or not. That's it. Right? I don't have a fucking contract with you, chat. We don't.
Yeah, like all we're doing really is just here providing free value. You know, free game. Like that's it.
It is the reason Marcos isn't here. It's the reason y'all lost Marcos.
Yeah, y'all lost Marcos. Y'all about to lose another one just now.
But stop streaming. See what happens. I'd be fine on my own, though. I would have been fine just trading on my own, taking my 40 pips yesterday, not hearing any noise.
That's the thing, though.
Not like YouTube's paying me. You
don't gotta explain anything. You don't gotta explain why your stop loss is there, why your RR is there, why your TP is here. You just gotta.
I don't know you. I don't owe you an explanation, right?
Yeah.
Like, I do it because I do it, but I don't owe you an explanation.
But when you stream, it's like, you have to explain it.
Or else. You have to explain it, but I don't. You know, I'm not on your clock here. Like people think they're employing me.
Even yesterday, people got mad at me because I didn't take the sells on GJ. It's like I wasn't comfortable, and that's it. Like I just didn't want sells yesterday, or gold. Sorry, it was gold, right? It was this one right here. I'm like, I just didn't want to take it yesterday, you know. And people are like, well, why didn't you take it? It was a good trade. I'm like, well, it wasn't. The RR wasn't there for me, you know. And they got angry that I didn't take a trade. So it's like, I don't know, bro. I took a loss. People are angry. Take a win. RR's not there. Not take a trade. You missed the trade. You suck. It's
Jesus,
like,
you guys complain a lot. No, I haven't seen my buddy in a while. It's been 24 hours since I've seen my friends on here, and a lot of shit has gone down. What do you do when you see your friends? You're like, yo.
Yeah.
Holy shit, you.
you're like, yo. I feel
like,
your
yo,
pain.
check this out. If he feels me, why can't I discuss it with him?
No, we're just catching up. That's all that is, really. It's just Wix and I is finally starting to understand what I go through, and I'm happy because like I feel like everyone should understand what we go through, you know.
Because I laugh at Don whenever he was frustrated and he's like, yo, this fucking chat today or stream, and he calls me up after. I'm like, I laugh at him, but now he's laughing at me.
Yo, I know you're about to be in the same boat as me.
Oh, man.
Anyways, yeah, chat. You have news at 8:15, so 8:15 news, all right. That's in about 4 or 5 minutes here. So it's Euro news, no USD news, no USD news till 8:30 in about 59 minutes here. But yeah, you got a third closure on GJ. Yeah, technically speaking, this thing should be expected to drive up here to fill the range, but I'm only looking for buys above 169.915 today, right? And as for gold here, gold on 30 closed bullish as well. Again, we're still below these ranges. We're in this range. I don't want to touch this range until you break out. But what I'm hoping for, or what I would want, is a fake out, a range run breakout to go back down. That'd be lovely. But yeah, man, we're just chilling here, just waiting.
Life is good. Just gotta be grateful for what you have. I know, Lazy Bones. Tell that to the Asian session chat.
Yeah, they're down bad, bro. They gotta touch some grass or something. I can't imagine. You know, NY session, I can get like, you know, it was fine, you know, but like Asian session.
They're not even coming from like anywhere else. It's the same people, right? It's not. Well, I don't know if it's the same people because there's a lot more of them now.
There's a lot.
We started with 200. I think there's like a good 150 real ones, 160, and then there's like 300 new people that I have no idea who they are. You know what's my favorite line from chat during Asian session is?
What?
Looks good, but I'm gonna stay out of it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay out of this one.
Nah, when they're like, yeah, that's TT right there. Let me guess, that's TT. That's definitely TT. That's right. That's you right there in the chat, TT.
This is the good TT. This is Teresa.
Nah, the good TT is the one that says the older one, the one that the one with the picture.
Yeah, this is her.
No, that's not her. That's someone else. No.
Wait, what? Not Teresa.
Hold on, wait, hold on. The one that works at the casino? Because she has a display picture, right?
Does she? Oh, I don't know. Does she?
I think
that's her.
This is the TT that says.
Oh, you're right. This is the TT that never takes the position we're in, but always likes them.
Yeah, I like this one, but I'm not gonna take it. R is not there. It's not good enough.
There's too many TDs.
TT's the mom. There's 2 TDs. Not funny. Yeah. I'm happy going through where you're going through now.
Looking at patterns, it's a rising wedgie. That's cool. Where TT's in a fucking bunker right now taking shots.
New York, yeah, this might be my last stream for 1 week.
Shit, at the rate this Asian keeps going, this might be your last stream, period.
Nah, no, but now we really took 2 losses this month at the beginning of the month, and then we just came back.
Yeah, I got 1 last week, 1 this week.
I'm going to a Brooklyn game at Marcos. Going to see KD and Kyrie and versus the Chicago Bulls. No Lonzo Ball though. I see. That'll be a good game, right? No. Brooklyn versus Chicago.
Scrubs, all scrubs.
All right. Well, we're finna go to the casino too.
The best player you're gonna see that night is Steve Nash.
Who's the old coach on Brooklyn again? What's his name? Jason Kidd.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's
shout out Ben Simmons.
Oh, shout out Ben Simmons.
Did he even take a shot yesterday?
Yeah. I think Kyrie was like, shoot the ball.
Yeah, all game he was. And then he said, yo, yeah, we're just trying to get behind him. No, motherfucker, you're yelling at him.
Wait, is this team, what's the record this year?
I think they're
the Leafs are so bad, bro. 4-3, man.
4-3. That's the Rangers record.
We're doing so bad. Yeah, yo, Bucks are doing good. Knicks are 3-1 too. Well, I mean, it's only like 6 games. Can't really do much, but
yeah, they did that last year until they lost 25 in a row. Or
oh yeah, I remember that. Knicks were doing so well last year.
Yeah, like first 10 games they were like 8-2 or something like that. And then all of a sudden they were like
the Trailblazers. Yo, who do Trailblazers have this year?
What do you mean?
Oh yeah, Dame Lillard.
Dame time.
But they don't have a thing no more.
Dame time. They don't have who no more?
Jason McCollum. No, what's his name? Fuck.
Portland's not going deep. Like,
is that a backcourt?
I really like the Grizz this year. Grizzlies are really nice.
CJ McCollum. There we go. Fucking Jason McCollum. Where did I get Jason McCollum from? CJ McCollum. The Warriors are 2-2. Wow.
Oh, they're still nice, bro.
It's Draymond Green, bro. I'm telling you. The Lakers are 0-4. Oh no! I didn't know the Lakers were 0-4.
I think they're 0-5 and they lost yesterday, no?
Yeah, that's 0-4, bro.
Yeah, I think they're gonna. I don't see them winning the next few games.
Bro, they need to do something.
They don't have any shooters. Nobody can shoot.
This guy, bro. This guy be breaking his finger every day, bro.
The unibrow, he's fucking shooting like 26% for the year. 20%.
Bro, what happened to him? Like, he was doing so good
Russell
on
Westbrook. Russell Westbrook is like 20% for the year from the field. Like, nobody can. Their best shooter is LeBron James.
You know what it is? They don't got a good bench.
And Patrick Beverly is the only decent player that I really like that hustles on there. But honestly, when LeBron James is your best shooter and your best shooter is playing his 20th year in the league, your team is not gonna. They
have no depth at all in this team, bro.
No, like he drives, kicks it out to who? Westbrook drives, kicks it out to like nobody can shoot. Who can they? They need some 3-point shooters around because they all clog up the lane. No, Westbrook is a driving point guard. Davis is a big fucking body in the lane. LeBron is a big fucking body in the lane. They clog up the lane and they don't have no perimeter shooters.
Yeah, no.
What are you gonna do? You're gonna lose every game. Yeah, Westbrook, fucking 11%. He's building new fucking basketball courts instead of playing them. Shooting them bricks.
Damn, that's tough, bro.
Dame got injured last night. I saw on Sports Center. That sucked.
Bucks win this season. I want to see Golden State. Yeah, as much as I want to see Golden State and Brooklyn in the finals, bro. Like, I don't know why Brooklyn isn't doing so. Like, why can't Brooklyn pop off? They got KD and Kyrie.
Because Ben Simmons.
Usually when you have like a lot of hustles like that, it doesn't really work out. Remember when they had James Harden too?
It's just the wrong mix.
It's hard because
right mix. Like the Warriors have the right mix.
Yeah, like even when they had KD and Curry though, I feel like
it's a shooter's game now. Like the game has become like, you know, most of the game is played between the 3-point line and half court now. It's like a lot of times teams bring it up the court and they'll never even make it past the 3-point line. It's just boom, shot. Suns are stacked again, year after year after year, and Booker has been fucking playing pretty nasty. Seen him go at Clay the other day. Clay was like, "Yo, I got 4 rings, bitch." Yeah, but you also had 4 points, bitch. Head and shoulder pattern on 4-hour GG. Yeah, that's my favorite shampoo.
Or they can go into the news.
I guess we'll never know.
It's a lot in the four states. They're expecting actually greater forecast to go for currency. There's some good numbers for advanced GDP, but it's just these folders right here can come out and then come out mix. Like you have 5 folders that can come out positive, negative, positive. So it can come out like mixed, right? And that'll make the markets pretty choppy for the first couple minutes of 8:30. But I think by 9 a.m. you have actual direction in price, and 9 a.m. to 9:30 might be your positions today.
Yo, who's messaging me during fucking stream asking me to hop on a call with them? I gotta know who you are in stream. Lazy Bones, that's you? No, it's not. You talk too much shit to call me. My iPhone dead. I can't answer it. My iPhone said. Yeah.
I have a different resistance level. That's fine. We all have different levels at the end of the day. It's all the same because everyone's just using their own judgment, right? You're not always gonna have the same levels all the time, and it doesn't mean you're wrong. Like, just because I don't have, you don't have the same levels as me, what am I gonna, well, what do I have to do with the markets, right? So it's just different judgments, really. And that's fine. I always say just to trust your own analysis and not someone else's, because you make the best judgment for yourself, right? You know what your strategy is the most, so you can't compare your strategy to my strategy because we trade differently, maybe, right? We might have the same ideas, but we may trade a bit differently. So just trust your analysis, trust your markups, right? If your zone's a bit off, then it's a bit off. It's, that's fine. My zones are different from the charts that get sent every day too sometimes, right? Like, look, if I were to pull up this chart, hopefully there's no things today. Yesterday, goddamn, you know. Good trade, man. I like the trade. This is one on what time frame? The 30? GG on the 30? So that was this. Yeah, that was our entry was the breakout lows, but you had an entry up here off 30. I didn't see this. This is 6 a.m. 6:30. Not bad, pretty clean.
How did that go? We all in the game, just different levels, dealing with the same hell, just different devils, right?
Flex. Nah, I would say flex, but Tenolia is a good guy, so he actually comes every day. So you take trades based on the 1 hour. No, 1 hour, 15, 30, 4 hour daily depends on the trade. If you want a spreadsheet, you can see what time frames you can trade off of. It depends on the day, depends on the trade, depends on the markets. How long that hold for? Sometimes it could be 20 seconds, sometimes it could be for a minute, sometimes 5. I don't control how long I hold for. It's up to the markets, really, but our average time is usually 5 minutes, around 5 minutes or less for scalpers, right? Because we anticipate volume. There's really no need to be in trade longer than 5 minutes sometimes. It'll just drive down to our targets.
Unless it's Asian session and you need to sit there for 3 hours to wait for it to play out.
Yep. Anything last thing in your chat?
It's still, honestly, it would still be running. Actually, no, it would just break even. It would have hit 100 pips.
What'd you close at? 40?
40, yeah, on the dot. The thing went over 100, yeah.
I've been taking a Q4 so lightly. Not lightly as in like my lot size, but lightly as in like my trades. Like I haven't taken many trades. I took like, or at least for NY session. I had one trade to speak chat. That's it. But it was one very good quality trade, and there wasn't really anything else I would have had, to be honest. Even if I were to force myself to trade, you know. Yo, 198 likes, chat. One more like to 200. We can hit it. We can definitely hit it.
You ain't get more likes than me.
200, chat. He's got 200. Yeah, 200. Yes, sir. Thank you for 200 likes, guys.
Drop one as well, then.
We used to have 200 viewers. We used to have 200 followers. I used to have 1 follower, guys. Like, I used to have 1 follower. That's insane to me.
It wasn't even human, it was a mouse.
Like, we don't buy followers, you know. And we don't buy followers because look at the content. Look at the viewers, and like look at how we grow.
Yeah, my first followers were 3 blind mice.
Never bought followers, never bought like, Instagram promotion, nothing. Just post value, and like Wixnight says, that tracks.
Yeah, value speaks for itself. You don't need to sell it, promote it, nothing. Value speaks so fucking loud that it needs no ad.
Look, he's got like 400 viewers in this. God, dude. They ain't believe in us. Yeah, yo, that video has 400k viewers. That's insane. Almost it was a mil. The video on this is 125. No.
Is it a YouTuber or
Wix? This one, Wix versus no Wix. To drive up, because a wick equals a range. Let's say this is a bearish candle here. That's the wick, right? Let's say this is a 4-hour candle. Let's say you bridge 4-hour candle down to the 1-hour time frame. We still get comments on this every day, and a lot of this is negative comments too. It's like, what are you talking about, bro? That's not how wicks get filled. That's not what a wick is, bro. Are you stupid? Have you heard of SMD method? At that point, I'm just like, well, man, I just posted a video, bro. Like, there's no need to argue here.
How about these new SRC methods? And how come they're dropping at the same time as the devious thing is dropping?
I guess we'll never know.
How did that come about? Whoever's behind the marketing for these things. Looking for some clout. Honestly, feel like I hit a wall. Almost want to do complete opposite of my analysis. Having trouble get entry, right? Max layers. You feel like you hit a wall because you're losing the trade, or it's not an optimal win? It could be much better. Where have you hit a wall? I done. Have you taken a trade until now? No, Andre. Today will be our first trade ever. Until now, there has been no trades. Besides the 112 wins and the 48 break-evens and the 35 losses of the year. But besides that, there have been no trades this year. Thing is, the things I'm seeing, I just don't end up being correct with them. I'm in major draw. You're still in drawdown. Close the trade out, drop your lot size, and start taking trades over and over and over again with a massively smaller lot size, and start building your sample size with something else. If your trades are not working out, you probably don't trade the same way we do. If you're here to learn, and just chill here for a month, you'll learn what happened to the GJ Asia trade. We already discussed that. We smacked it for 40 pips. I told you guys before stream, not closing it unless we close above, and in the next hour we ended up hitting 40 pips. The ADM candle. Yeah, I'm here for the ADM candle as well.
Yo, chat, fuck Christmas. We're dropping this devious thing. Fucking
Next
Halloween.
Christmas.
Like, what? What? I'm lost in the sauce right now, but
you didn't even know?
No, chat. Forget Christmas, bro. We're dropping this before Christmas now. I was planning for Christmas now, but clear people are watching us. I'm gonna drop this. I'm dropping this.
Have you noticed there's shit dropping on Christmas?
I'm dropping this before Christmas, bro. Like, I announced Christmas back in like July. I should have announced things no more, bro. I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna drop. You know what, chat? I'm gonna go public right now. Okay, forget the website.
Yeah, just drop it right now before somebody drops shit on Christmas. Drops a copyright-free version on Christmas.
but if we were to switch roles, what would happen to me though? I would got all the hate. If I was to drop it on Christmas too, we got all the hate.
Ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can do it in November or something. I actually got a call after this. I got a call after this stream for the website. So let's see.
We already did a Nas analysis. Let's do like a Jay-Z analysis. Right? So here's our Jay-Z analysis. I'm really bearish on Jay-Z, especially two Jay-Z's. When you get the two Jay-Z's, I'm bearish on them. I don't think they're coming back. I think those are great engines, but Toyota Supra is going to keep them out of the new Supra and leave them in the old one. The two Jay-Z's are not coming back, no matter how much you love them. So I'm bearish on two Jay-Z's. But on a single Jay-Z, I'm still bullish. Yeah, definitely ahead of his time. So that's our Jay-Z analysis. Yesterday was the Nas analysis. Jaden Isan, what the fuck is with saying? Nas was a rapper that we did an analysis on yesterday. Jay-Z is a rapper we did an analysis on today. Two Jay-Z's is an engine from a Toyota Supra that we also did an analysis on today. Get with the fucking program. We're analyzing shit. Don't you ever talk about shit that don't matter? Fuck. God damn it.
Man.
Yo, where we at? Where we at? We outside.
Yeah, yo, you gotta drive today?
I gotta drive, but I'm not driving. My daughter's like, why didn't you wake me up? Now I'm late for school. So I'm like, fuck. I'm trying not to be in the same room as her. She's pissed at me. When she's ready for school, she'll come in here and tell me.
I'm here with... No camera, deportation. My name is Luis. I'm here with... No camera, deportation.
Deportation.
My name is Luis. I'm here with...
My name is Luis.
My name is Jeff.
That's what reminds me of. If his name was Jeff, would be a lot better. My name is Jeff. You started from scratch Forex, or you ever had money from other sources? I worked a job. I mean, a part-time job, nothing too crazy.
Scratch ticket, scratch Forex ticket.
Imagine.
Scratch off, Forex scratch off. That was his. That's how he built his initial funds. It was a Forex scratch off. They won him a 5K account. Anybody else play those Forex scratch offs? No, I'm the only one.
Yeah, I have. I still haven't won yet. I keep getting so close. I haven't won a jackpot yet.
Huh. Forex jackpot.
I'm winning these partials, bro. Like.
Oh, I'm starving. I want some chicken pot pie, y'all. And not like in one dish. I want them all separately. I want some chicken, I want some pot, and I want a pie. Right? Those are my 3 favorite things. Now bring them to me. My 3 favorite things. I think I have to go back to support resistance basics. I believe that the simpler you make it, your trading experience, right? The less nuances in your trading and the more simplicity, the less demotivated you will be, to continue doing this, stop doing this. You don't want things that are gonna like take away from your motivation to trade on the daily, and the confusion of adding all different indicators and strategies, and with so many arbitrary things in your strategy. If there's any arbitrary things in your strategy without having a clear answer to your question, it's all of that is gonna demotivate you. Right? It's not going to motivate you to trade. It's going to do the opposite. And you don't want that. You want to continue with being excited about this, with enjoying this. And the only way this is really enjoyable is when it becomes simple. So, you really, it's up to you how difficult. It's a very difficult craft to master. It's a hard craft to master, but it's up to you how difficult or how simple you want to make it. Make it as simple as possible. This way it doesn't eat at you to like fucking get so worked up every day and know all these things. Bring it to the basics.
What's your advice for staying emotionally level after taking a trade win or loss? I'm affected. You see, it's really hard for me to answer that question, really, because the answer I'm gonna give you is just be a robot, but that doesn't really help, right? It sounds simple, but it's not as simple as it seems. But
drop your lot size, close your trades sooner. Fucking, you're seeing blue, close them sooner. There's something that it does something for confidence when you open your terminal and you see like 5, 10 blues in a row, 15 blues in a row. So when you start building that confidence, if you just have a lot of blues, a lot of wins in a row, you don't have to start raising your lot size, but now you can take that same trade with more confidence, maybe let it run, but you just need to win. And until you're winning, you need to stop blowing your funds, right? So lower the amount you're risking until you start winning. The key here is not to run out of money by the time you're consistent and profitable, right? Because then you have nothing to build your account with. So while you're learning consistency, or you're on your way to consistency and profitability, make sure you're not blowing all the funds you're going to use to grow your account later on, right? If you're in that stage, you should be putting as least amount of money into the market as possible, because in the long run, that's going to be more money in your account to attack the market and then make it grow. You don't want to be fighting the market just to get back to where you were. That's it. Very simple. Who shut up? Me? No, you shut up.
Another thing is
you do it. You shut up.
Another thing is like I think having like a well structured plan helps with that as well, because it's literally there isn't, how did I put it into words, like once you have that playbook set, and done, and like, because like you said you get affected after your wins and your losses, right? Like you get affected by that. The way I see it is like, once you have like a playbook, like that's all you're gonna see. Like once you have a true strategy, like that's all you're gonna see. And these setups don't come often, right? Like these setups aren't like the playbook isn't made for you to take as many trades as you can take. They're made for specific trades that don't come as often. So like you kind of forced to sit there and wait for trades, for opportunities to come, because there's not that, like those trades don't come around that often for you to take a trade after, like right after another. But again, like you take a win, the way you should see it is just like I'm losing my train of thought right now. like so for me at least, right? Like after I take a trade, like that trade idea, it's over with, it's done. Like I don't really care what happens after. Like let's say I go ready to close at like 10 pips and thing drives another 100 pips, like I can't get emotional after, because I made the conscious decision to close that trade off where it was, and that was my plan. And as long as I'm following my plan, I'm a winner for a day, right? Profits and losses don't, like that's not what shows me or tells me that I'm a winner or a loser. What shows me I'm a winner or a loser is me following my plan. Did I follow my plan that day? Yes. Okay, I'm a winner. Did I not follow my plan? No. Okay, then I'm a loser, right? So as long as you follow your plan, you come on top. Doesn't matter what the results are. That's how I see it.
Yeah, gotta have a really short memory. Like, how does this trade that you lost now, like, how does that affect your next position, where it's different price, different setup, different everything, right? So if setup wise it's a completely different position, why the fuck is your emotions bringing the last trade into this, right? Your breakdown isn't bringing the last trade into this. You're not increasing your TP because the last trade you had a bigger stop loss. Like, no, every trade is separate and individual. So why are you bringing, your feelings from your last trade into this one when it's a completely different setup? I say it all the time. Once you let your emotions or your feelings take over the trade, you've lost, right? Regardless of the result. When you've let the market take over, now the market's in control. You got to stay in control of every aspect of your trade and every trade. So those emotions will go away with experience. Nothing can change that without, only experience, taking that same trade over and over and over, and then getting the confidence that this trade has won a really large amount of time, right? And like, look, people talk so much shit. It's really easy to, and inside that little voice, that's the worst one, right? Your voice inside your head that talks all that shit. Don't listen to it. You learn to tune out that voice, you can tune out all the noise everywhere else. And just go with logic. What makes sense, not with how you feel. People are too attached to their emotions and too detached from logic. Because emotions at some point make, take over for you guys. Keep your emotions in check. Oh, where's he? The guy. Giuseppe, you're only banned here, right? You were only hidden here. So you can show up at 8 p.m. Eastern time for Asian session live stream and tell me to shut up there. Okay? Join us at 8 p.m. You're not hidden there. You can show up 8 p.m. Eastern tonight, Asian session live streams. Be there. You're gonna be joined by a few more shit talkers that were on yesterday. I don't know how loud they'll be, but they'll be there. So join us, please.
You know what's weird, Wix? You have Euro news today at 8:15.
I
find that really strange how you have interest rates at 8:15 today. This is interest rates, right? This is interest rates. They're 2.0. Yeah, this is interest rates. Like, it's so weird. It's usually at like 2 a.m. in the morning, 3 a.m. So strange. And then you have ADP right after. So I want to see what this does though. The euro does for these other pairs. I mean, it's gonna bring volume in the markets for sure, but I don't believe it's gonna affect any USD pairs like that heavily. Yeah, this time all the time, really? I swear they're usually at London session, unless I might be wrong. But I don't pay attention to the euro interest rates. I pay attention to the pound and the Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar is usually at 10, and USD is usually at 8.30. But I never seen the euro. I remember past 2, I asked Wix to shut up on my 3rd day of live stream of Don. Eventually now I'm a fucking fan of him. Yeah, that's how it usually goes, man. That's how it usually goes. Me too, man. I banned Wixon 3 times before he came on.
I hold a record for most bans.
Trust me.
Before joining.
You know what it is, man? Like Kanye said the other day. You gotta, what do you say about something about love, fake love, to show real love. No, not fake love. Something about getting the man. I'm gonna find it.
I love how you guys explain the same shit over and over. Probably get tired of explaining the same shit over. Look, honestly, if you're getting sick and tired of me saying the same shit, or if you're just recognizing the fact that I'm saying the same shit, that means what I said has stuck in your head so much that now you're like, fuck, it's the same shit. And that's the fucking goal. Whatever we say, we want it to stick in your head to the point of like, shit. Again, Wix is saying, like, yeah, now you know what I'm saying. Now it's stuck in your head. Now you just know it. You know, you don't even need me to say it. So that's the whole point. The whole point is for it to be repeated so much that you're sick and tired of hearing it. Because once you're sick and tired of hearing it, that means you've learned it inside and out, that it's just annoying to hear already, right? So, good. If you're realizing that it's the same shit over and over, that means you're learning and you're picking it up. Now, if everyone can just do that, we wouldn't have to explain all this shit over and over and over.
Can't find it. We said something basically along the lines of how I can't even put it into words. I don't even remember. Let's see.
The retailist retail trader.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am a retail trader. Of course, we are retail traders. I'm just the biggest retail trader.
Retail trader concepts.
Nah, it wasn't that, David. Fuck.
Yo, how did you get your demo account to 190K? My demo account's only at 5.
Shit. Yeah, I work with the markets, man. Yeah, I work with the markets. Oh, 1 hour salary. Yeah, you gotta work with the markets, bro. I'll tell you.
Yeah, my demo account's only at 5K. And after 40 pips yesterday, I blew my account.
Shit, man. You gotta make a new demo account, man.
Damn it.
Yeah.
Damn it. Gotta make a new demo account. Just realize if you don't understand what they're doing, you need to rewatch them. If you don't understand what we're doing here, there's no way you should be just entering a position when we're entering a position. You should be watching what's happening. Yeah, Shy. You blew the case wide open, Shy. You have blown the case open. Now bring it to a fucking prosecutor and tell him to take me to court. Fucking knew it. Ah. Love you, Shy. Don't be so shy.
Yeah, chat. I'm waiting for a 1 hour closure below 65.9 here. Unfortunately, just in the range here, so I can't do much about it. Waiting for a closure outside, right? So I mean, for the past like hour and a half here, there hasn't been much that we can do really. We'll break the lows here, yeah, but there's no impulse entry there. It's just a breakout low. Doesn't mean anything, right? Especially the fact that you have news here in about 50 minutes. Can't do much, right? So that's why we're just like kind of chilling here right now. With not much to do. Yo, aren't you late to drive your thing?
Hey, I'm not fucking late. The kids are late. They gonna need an excuse. Me? I'm Gucci.
Me? I'm tired as fuck.
I'm never tired as fuck. Like you gotta do some serious shit to get me angry. Like, I don't know.
Pronouns are buying butter. Have my girl touch him stream? He got tired. He got sick of y'all, bro. He got sick of y'all shit. Nah, he never tired. I asked him yesterday. He's like, nah, I'm still coming back, but he's just doing some shit right now.
Hey, I'll be frustrated as hell too from y'all.
Yeah, no, for real. Like, if I was watching from his point of view, me too, man. I'll be sick of y'all. Comex is coming? Yes, sir.
Ha ha ha. LOL.
Just say Arsenal something. Arsenal sucks. Hopefully that'll resurrect them.
He's about to hop on here just with straight shots.
What did you say? Comics here, chat. It's just the thing about, man, like this third closure, 830 will be so clean. I have a feeling that we're gonna close below 830. And we can't take it. We just can't take it at 830. There's just so much news in the way, right? So I mean, it looks like 9 a.m. it is, man. It looks like we're gonna have to wait for 9 a.m.
That time, chat. It's that time. Stay off the sidewalks.
Alright, so, you quick today, or are you gonna be back at, like,
oh yeah. I'm gonna be back real quick. It's 8:20. I think like 8:40.
I bet. Drive safe. Drive safe.
I take that as a challenge. It's like 60 miles away from here. I'm gonna be back in 20 minutes, y'all. Should be quick. Oh shit! There it goes. Hold on. Kids might have to be late for school here. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit.
See you, man. Take it easy. Dun 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 dun. There we go. There's a range fill. There's the range fill. Okay, you have news in 9 minutes here, right? So just be aware of news in 9 minutes here. But it looks like we came down to tap our target. Now it's just a matter of can we close below for 9 a.m. here? Because if 9 a.m. closes below here, perfect. 9 a.m. closes below his range. Look, we're gonna drop down to fill the next range here, right? Which is 1643. So about that range left. What news are you waiting for to affect gold? You see the stays focus? See all those folders there? Those folders right there will affect gold today. So you have to be aware. All these folders there. Right? This right here. You have this. Then you have this. You have this. You have this. Yeah, how did the euro? What happened to the euro? I want to see euro. I want to see euro USD or something. Euro JPY. Let's see what euro JPY did. Oh, it came down. Nice. 4-1. Not much happened. This is comics open here. Typically what I've seen is that with comics open, we wouldn't really get affected by like not much would usually happen with comics on days where we have news, but obviously it's a different story really. But not often. Like every time we have news at 8:30, I see comics like it doesn't really drive as hard as it would without news. But this wasn't bad of a push. 1 hour closure would be lovely though. Beautiful. Dun, 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 dun. What up, FOREX Spider? What's going on? Damn. This way feel looking lovely, man. Yeah, chat. This week I only took one trade, man. I only took one trade this week, I believe. I think so. Yeah, only one trade. Only one win. One small, very tiny win. That's about it for me this week. This month, though, I could pop this up. This month, though, we are up around. Let's put this month's on. Not a bad month, huh? Sorry, that's for the month, but like this week's been pretty slow, man. I've just been training NY session, right? Like Wixon's been training New York session. Wixon's been killing the New York Asian session, sorry. But I haven't been active during Asian, so I'm just training New York session, and also during London. I'm usually sleeping now, right? I'm trying to catch up with my sleep, for quarter 4. But yeah, man, it's a slow week. Oh, about real line when get rich on forex trading. Yo, you're on your Mike Tyson shit, man. No, he had a tiger, right? Or did he have a lion? Yeah, a tiger, white tiger. Yeah, he had a white tiger. That's some badass shit. That's some badass shit right there, man. That's crazy. Maybe I got baby tiger too. Damn. Beast. How much does a tiger cost? What broker I'm using? Blueberry Markets. Regulated. $7 per lot for commissions on currency pairs. On gold, it's no commission, and then spreads are about 1 pip on gold. $8K price of tiger. Damn, that's a little too expensive. Kidding, that's not bad actually. But then you gotta train it. You gotta find a trainer for it, because if you don't train that tiger, man, you might be the little pet and stuff. chat. Wait, how did numbers come out? Shit. Yeah, mix. Positive, negative, 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 and then neutral. Or no, negative. No, positive. So 2 positives, 3 negatives. Yeah. So technically, more negative than positive, which makes sense to why it came up and then came back down, hovered for a bit, and didn't come down and break the lows. Oh, sounds old. The Wix is here. Wix is not back in 7 minutes, bro. I swear. Oh, my mic's low today, chat. Oh shit, I didn't know. Man, I thought the trend line was 160 support would hold. Now you gotta adjust the trend line, man. You gotta move the angle down. It went from a acute angle to a obtuse angle now. I buy some self stops to 30 pips on entry and 30 pips on TP, end up at break even. Sounds fair. Damn. We're gonna upload more knowledge to your course before the year ends. Now I'm working on, like, right now, like I'm currently working on finalizing this project for Christmas, but I probably won't do a course update until next year again, the beginning of next year, because I want to put this out first. I've been working on this since like July, right? So yeah, this should be out on our website by Christmas. Here I goes bearish on your point of view. The monthly is bearish. The monthly. Well, the monthly might close doji this month, but we're anticipating that if we're closing doji this month, I mean, below here especially in about, well, we have 4 days left, so we're kind of far, but I would expect maximum count to drive down as well to continue down towards the next support, which is the next clean traffic level. So the monthly is pretty bearish. The weekly is right now, I believe, is bullish though. Yeah, weekly is bullish. So what's happening on the weekly? We're just in the range, but I'm looking at the higher time frame, right? Like we're still in a bearish trend overall until that changes. Once that changes, we'll hop on that trend. But as of right now, like the monthly is bearish. It's been bearish since April, right? We haven't had a bullish count since. So until you actually close bullish this month, we're still bearish. As for today though, we're in bearish today. Well, technically gold is bullish today. Technically it's bullish today, but I'm open to range to breakout sells. So if we close below 65 now, I'm willing to take sells coming down the field of range. But that's about it. It's not like we're bearish. It's not like we're bearish until like, you know, like 1630 or something. You know, we're just trying to catch this range to this range. So it doesn't really change the overall trend. It's just a little range we're in right now. Yen range tomorrow. Yeah, well, I might not be here tomorrow, little chat. I might be I'm going to New York tomorrow, so this might be the last stream and for a whole week, which kind of sucks, but yeah, this might be the finish of October, maybe. New York City. We're playing on for 2 this weekend? Nah, I'm not home. Nothing for a week, man.
We made it.
Yes, sir. It doesn't matter if it broke the 4 highs. The 4 is bearish. It didn't break the highs yet. The highs were at 16.69. We only came up to 16.65. We broke the current highs, yeah, but the 4 candle is still open here. It closes in 17 minutes here. So that's what I'm saying though. We need to wait for the 1 hour candle because the 1 hour closure below here, below 16.59, will also be the 4 hour candle closure below the range as well. So it's very crucial we get a closure below there for 9 a.m. here in 17 minutes, right? Very critical. What up, Wix?
Same shit, different toilet seat. Wick pills all over this bitch. 2 minutes late, I know. Cut me some slack. I had to go around like 3 school buses in reverse, up an entrance ramp off a highway. What part of New York? I grew up in Kew Gardens, Queens. Well, doctor, there ain't no fucking way in hell somebody that's not a New Yorker is gonna know what Kew Gardens is. You gotta be like, I was like right by the Mets stadium or something like that, you know? Story of Queens. Yeah, I've partied many times there. Lots of good Turkish restaurants, Greek restaurants. Yeah, a lot of Russians there too, by Forest Hills. used to go to a nice lounge there under the train tracks. Yo, when are you leaving? Donovan?
Yo, tomorrow.
Mañana?
Yeah.
But you're streaming tomorrow.
Pardon?
You're streaming tomorrow.
I don't know, cause I might get a dip early. I still gotta pack some stuff, so like I want to, but I don't know. I gotta see by tonight Asian. I'll probably put a message out tonight during Asian if I'm streaming tomorrow or not.
Raja said nobody should. Oh yeah, all right, cause he said so. All right, cool. All right. Nobody learned anything here. Forget everything you knew.
Forget all that trades you took on stream this year. Forget it.
Nobody learned anything.
Forget it. Forget the range twos. Forget the playbook. Forget
the 112 wins. Forget everything you've ever known.
Forget it. Everyone just erase your memory.
Shit. Forgotten. Faster than whoever said that.
Dude, he said I was a student. Do I deny that? No, I kind of have to say he's my mentor now. No, all these guys here are my mentors, man. This is my list of mentors as of 27th of October. He's in the list. Learn a lot from his live streams, you know.
Remember, just because somebody says something, don't make it true. Right? And just because you believe it doesn't make it true. But
celery? Yeah, all the celery stuff. You guys can get the free playbook, controlfx.com, and it shows you what everything is basically. It's free playbook, no charge. You know, every step that we took this year on stream off of the spreadsheet. It basically comes back to these links here. So
could you trade using vegetable, celery in play, and cabbage play? No, that's wrong. We have a celery and an onion play. Get it straight. There's no cabbage. Celery and onion. Yeah, we do trade using that. If you want to be just as nice, you go to your Publix or your local shop, right? You get a celery, you get an onion, and if you could get the same results with celery and onions that we get, but you can't. So that's how you trade using celeries and onions. If you're getting our results, you'd be using celeries and onions as well.
Bum, bum, bum.
You guys gotta understand, Don is trolling you guys. He's just agreeing with this shit, right?
Yeah, I kind of.
Like, nobody ever took Raj's course here. He never taught anybody here. He was never anyone's mentor. Nobody ever had a number to dial and ask questions. Nobody ever bought a course here. So all of that shit is a lie. Everything you're hearing is a lie.
But
everything. Imagine that.
But what's not a lie, just to make it clear, is learning. Learning from someone else, that was not a lie. Learning from Raja, that's not a lie. But as like a mentor and like as being part of market fluidity, that is a lie. On everyone's mom in the chat, it is a lie. And I'm putting your moms at risk because I'm that confident. I am that confident that it is a lie. But what's not a lie is learning from the guy himself. And I give credit. I've been giving credit, right? That's not a lie. And I literally made a post the other day showing proof that I've been getting credit since 2020, right? That was not a lie.
My streams as well. Yeah, I've watched the streams. The guy, you got to give credit where credit's due. He was one of the originators of live streaming Forex and, you know, being pretty transparent about it. But ain't nobody ever bought a course. Ain't nobody ever mentored anybody, ever joined a group, a class, a live You know, that's another fucking money grab right there. If you think you are gonna all of a sudden be a fucking great trader because you shook a great trader's hand and you've seen him in person, you are severely disillusioned, chat. You got another fucking set of downfalls waiting for you. If you think that an in-person, just hearing somebody talk in front of you in a classroom will make you a better trader instead of looking and executing on the charts, you guys are fucked. Like, do you really in-persons? Live? So now that I pay extra like thousands of dollars to meet you live, now all of a sudden I'm gonna get something better. More, what do I get? I get a fucking steak. I'm talking about learning. Let's bring real value in here. I'm not trying to fucking go eat steak with 10 other traders. I'm trying to get better. Right? I'm gonna go buy my own steak.
My own steak.
Yeah, you guys are like, please stop wasting the money that you should be putting into the markets to fucking get better into, you know, fucking other people's pockets. It's all marketing. All marketing. I love the marketers out there, you know, great, but like you guys, it's not their fault. It's you guys. I don't care if they're great traders. You're not going to be a great trader by going to a meetup or in person. That's not what's going to make you a great trader or successful trader. Or a fucking boot camp. Like, great, yeah, they haven't. It's dope to meet somebody you've never met, like somebody you look up, but like, man, so just call it that. Let's call it a fucking autograph signing or something. There's no value in a meetup.
Well, what you mean? I went to the.
You drink and then an hour later you forgot the question you asked.
Bro, I went to the Miami. What's it called?
Yeah.
I went to the.
You don't even know what it's called.
No, what's it called? The one where they're. Yeah.
You could do whatever you want. Should we not go to a boot camp? I'm just telling you that a boot camp or in person or a live
FOREX Summit.
Maybe it'll motivate you to get a Lamborghini. It's not gonna make you a better fucking trader. You guys are fucking stupid. You're not stupid. I'm sorry. I don't believe that. You guys are not stupid. You guys just want shortcuts to everything, and I get it. It's human nature, but believe me, there are no
shortcuts in life.
Anything.
And if you take shortcuts in life, it means you are getting cheated on.
Why too much hate? I don't know why others are hating. When I hate, I hate. Like, these things, great. They bring they bring people income and money in their businesses, and if you can get it done, do it. But for you personally, you are not becoming a better trader because you are going to a hotel room to hear somebody discuss the market live. I can fucking hit up Don and we can discuss the markets all day, every day. Just like, I could call my boys, I could call whoever. But you are not being a better trader by locking yourself up in a room with 15 other traders during out-of-market hours. You know, somewhere on a vacation. That's all I'm saying. Not saying it's worthless or pointless or maybe like shit. I would use those. You know, when I would go to do what Marcos did, to create connections, to, you know, get to the level of meeting people and connecting with them on a level beyond trading.
That is true.
We're like, yeah, trading is our interest, but we can connect on a level beyond trading because we're both successful and we can put our either minds together, money together, our connections together. That's why you would go, to open up a new avenue of, you know, of expanding your network. Yeah, network, exactly. And I don't get it. People just fall for this shit, and it's fun. Like, a lot of people do go for the reason. They go for the connections and the networking, but there's an insane amount of you that just go to gawk, and you're willing to drop insane amounts of money into somebody else's pocket in order to explain things to you, but it won't make you better. An explanation will not make you better. Your execution will make you better. Your time on the charts will make you better.
It's 2022, baby. It's all free.
Yeah, imagine fucking soccer players did that.
I'm gonna go a room with
meet up with Messi so you guys can be the best Messi of all.
Shit, I can go as many league skins as possible, but I ain't gonna play as good as fucking those players on the ice.
Yeah, that in-person meeting or showing, or watching the best hockey players is not gonna do shit for you. You got to go get out there and go fucking play some hockey at your rink, right? So how the fuck are you getting better by going to meet them?
It's like you can watch it on TV for free, or you can go watch it in person and you gotta pay. What's the difference? You don't learn shit. You learn shit by actually going out there and actually playing yourself, right? That's what it is. Yeah, they got paid coach, but who got put the work in though?
I saw Rocky 1, Rocky 2, Rocky 3. You don't see me calling out Money Mayweather. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go practice. Practice? Talking about practice?
Man, you have 3 minutes left for a closure, chat. Talking about practice. Is it better practice on demo live or demo data? Better practice on a live account. Small account, live account. Much better, because at least you learn some psychology there. You practice on demo as much as you practice, man. It's not gonna be the same no matter what you do. A demo is good for like learning like how to use the MetaTrader and such, but as for like game as a trader, it's not gonna help you. What's gonna help you is actually trading the live markets, right? So just deposit something small that you can lose, right? That you're comfortable losing. Just try things out. But treat that small account as a job, like as a business too. Don't just because it's a small account you're testing things out doesn't mean you just gotta go fuck around and go over leverage on it, right? You wanna make sure you treat that as if it's your actual real live account, as if you were a full-time trader. What would you do? You're gonna put in a sell? I'm looking for this closure here in 3 minutes here. 2.5 minutes for a closure.
Lock it in, lock it in.
Yes. What's good, Emma?
Bye now. Hey, Mataden, how much for the signal? What is your take on swing trade? Don't take. No take. Oh, sorry, he's asking you, Don. My silly ass.
Pardon?
Nothing, just ignore everybody.
Alright, I'm looking at this. Gonna type this in. Gotta lock it in, bro. Let's see. We gotta close below here, chat. I want to see this close below here, man. Below 16,595 here. It's very important we close below there, not just below here. Uh-oh, not looking too good. If you don't close below, I'm sorry to say, but it's looking a little chopped. Axel, she's like you. It's free, man. ControlFX.com. You have free journals here. Go on that journal and just click on it. It's free sign up, no charge, and you get all the journals. Yeah, all of that. You have access to all of that for free, no charge. We provide all of that for free. I don't think we're gonna get a closure here. 15 seconds, but yeah, move an extra 7 pips here, man. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and yeah, no, we ain't we ain't getting it. Yeah, so it closed bearish on the 4-hour, it closed bearish on the 1-hour, it closed both respecting the same zone. This is like deja vu from yesterday, because yesterday did the exact same thing as well. As for GJ here, GJ could definitely still drive up. However, I would prefer a closure above 169 now and 5 for position. So I mean, gold can still drive too as well. It's still a bearish closure technically, as long as you respect the previous 4-hour high. Again, pull can still fill a wick to drive down, but as for my position, that's part of our plan. It's not. We need a closure below here, right? So
930.
I don't know. The 4-hour didn't close respecting. That's what I'm saying. The 4-hour count
still closed bear.
Yeah, it closed bear, but it closed rare support. Don't get me wrong, Chad. It doesn't mean it can't drive, right? You can definitely still drive. You can definitely still fill a wick, but as for like entering positions, I need a closure below for decent stops and everything, right? And for me to be comfortable in a trade. So yeah, we can't do much here. But yeah, I mean, Chad, this might be the last stream before for next week, because I'm going to New York on Friday tomorrow. I won't be coming back until the 4th of November, so we'll be streaming maybe next stream, and the next stream might be tomorrow morning, or it may be November 7, so 10 days from now, right?
J Onion.
But this is October so far, chat. October. We're up around, I think, around 15% this month, right? If you've been on the streams this month, you've been eating. If you've been in the snow channel, you've been eating. I mean, it's been a good month, but unfortunately, months have to come to an end for new months to begin. So November is coming up. Again, this might be a last stream for November, so that's all I'm saying. I might gotta see you guys in 10 days. Live gonna start for 10 days. You'll be alright, man. I'm gonna be working on the course. I'm not the course stuff. Fucking this. I'm moving my date from Christmas
you have to
before Christmas. I'm trying to get it done before Christmas, because we announced this like in July, but
it might be Cyber Monday here.
Yeah, it might be.
You might get the shit on Black Friday, Cyber Monday weekend.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you guys this shit ASAP. Maybe this month, maybe next couple weeks, but I'm gonna try. But yeah, I'm gonna try. All right. But yeah, chat, if you guys are dipping off here, appreciate you guys being here today. Appreciate you guys being here for October. It's been a lovely month. Love you guys. Thanks for showing support as always. Wix9 streaming tonight during Asian, right?
Oh yeah, we still gonna be here next week. Don's going, but Asian's still gonna be here.
Wix9's gonna stream New York session anyways.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, you gotta. Okay, how about stream New York? Don't do Asian.
All right, we'll talk. We'll talk after. We'll see.
Cause I'm not here. I'm not streaming. I'm not bringing my laptop this time.
Yeah. You're just gonna completely tune out.
I'm gonna be trading stuff, but I'm not gonna be streaming. I'll be in the center channel, chilling. But
all right, yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll talk. All
right, chat. I'm gonna do a wordo, and then we're gonna call it probably. Go driving, obviously, right?
Yeah. I mean, we'll still do Asian for sure. There's gonna be a regular Asian Wix stream. Yeah, maybe I'll do a few sessions, cover a few days.
Rango.
Rally.
I like racks.
I like racks too. Racks on racks on rack.
Racks on racks on racks.
Car. Something. Cater. Oh no, no E. No T.
Nice. Like something R, right? IR or something like this.
Yeah. I think R is at the end as well.
Caver.
Caver. Oh.
OR. Cavor. Cabor. Canor. Camor. Calor. Capor. Cavor. K4.
March.
March. Ah, that's a good guess.
There's no other vowels, but it's all different letters.
March. Wow. We didn't learn shit there.
We did not learn shit there.
We learned at the seagulls here.
Or at the end. R.
Carvey, something like this, like
Party.
Carsey, Narcy.
Gary.
Ah. That's a good guess.
Yeah, because I carried this whole thing.
All right, whatever. Alrighty.
Thank you, mods. Thank you, chat.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, mods. Thank you, everybody, for holding it down for DVS. Yeah, man. We need something for DVS. Like, we need, like, I don't throw any signs up, but we need something for DVS. How do you make DVS with your hands?
What?
How do you make DVS with your hands?
You better ask a gang member.
We're just not put D.
Going up FOREX gang signs. Yo, can somebody drop a link for the playbook?
He needs help. You know, we're gonna keep it nice.
What are you,
DVS.
Bart Simpson? Is like, I will not spam for no reason. I will not spam for no reason. I will not. Yeah, first you ban them and then you give them the playbook. Perfect.
You need sales on vacation? Yes, sir. Of course, just like the last vacation that everyone said we did bad on, but we didn't. It was the best month. So, remember June? Yeah, remember June, right? Don, don't train vacation. It's not working out, man. Oh, really? Then that was the best month we ever had. So, yeah, chat. I'll be on for a week. All right, I'll catch y'all next week. All right. Appreciate us being here. Thank you, and I guess you can tune into our outro now. Alright, yo. Take it easy, guys. Thank you.
Drop a like and subscribe.
Thank you, mods.
Follow
Thank you,
IG.
everyone. Yes, sir. All right. I gotta end the stream with the banger today.
What are you gonna do? Just click end stream button?
Nah. I feel like I gotta cook some stuff up. Let me see if I can cook up today.
Oh shit. Chef Curry with the boy.
Good idea. Good idea.
Fuck being on some chill shit. We go 0 to 100, nigga, real quick. They be on that rap to pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. How you so high but still so down to earth, nigga. Niggas won't do it, we can do it on their turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie and the vet. Shout out to the bitches out here holding down the set. All up in my phone looking at pictures from the other night. She gon' be upset if she keep scrolling to the left, dog. She gon' see some shit that she don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but that's where I lay up. The shit a motherfucking layup. I been Steph Curry with the shot, been cooking with the sauce, Chef Curry with the pot, boy. 360 with the wrist, boy. Hey, who the fuck them niggas is, boy? OVO, man, we really with the shits, boy. Yeah, really with the shits. I should probably sign a hit, boy, cause I got all the hits, boy. Fuck all that Drake, you gotta chill shit. I be on my little mouse drill shit. Fuck all that rap to pay your bill shit. Yeah, I'm on some rappers pay my bill shit. All up on TV, I thought it made me richer. Wasn't paying me enough, I needed something quicker. So now I'm all in Nico basement, working on the phones. Either that or drive the money mark to make the pickups. Man, it's 2008, I'm trying to paint the picture. Comeback season in the works and now I'm thinking bigger. I got 40 in the studio, every night, late night. Gotta watch that shit, don't wanna make them sicker. That's my nigga, oh Lord. Got a whole lot to show for it. I mean, we could really get it, we could go for it. I'm just here for the bucks.
Short nigga, but my dick tall. What I told your bitch, dog. Only thug nigga down at the pitchfork. Dirty van bitches wanna suck my dick off. Papa's any for a penny, get the hit floor. Run up in the shit raw. I got a girl, I ain't never got no fucking condoms. If she caught me, then that bitch I be pissed off. Real nigga shit. Berkey be mobbing all day. Probably with Marty RJ. Them my niggas from back in the day. Tarzan ain't showing his face. He probably the one with the K. Front the knee letting it spray. 2 shots to a bomber clad man. Shabba ranks, let it go in your brain. Front then he coming your way. Better send me dump, then he coming your way. Duck when the bad man come. My youth don't rock with me. Coop full of bad hoes. They all wanna come with me. You got a coop with a sad hoe. Cause she wanna come with me. Shabba, shabba ranks. Shabba ranks. 8 gold rings like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 4 gold chains like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. Shabba ranks, Shabba ranks. 8 gold rings like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 2 bad bitches like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shut, Shabba ranks.
Skinny nigga, but my dick long. Stink puss me, my dick soft. Probably bumping R. Kelly, sipping Cristal. So you know the whole world getting pissed on. I don't really give a fuck if you pissed off. I just bought a Mac 11 from the thrift store. Traded for my gold chain and my pistol. Shoot a rocket, make a motherfucker lift off. Flock will be mobbing all day. When niggas that shopping, they chopping them choppers to handle my problems. Cause niggas be plotting these days. But that Rari kinda fast though. She told me pump my brakes. You stuck with a fat hoe, and she wanna stuff her face. To all of my Dominican girls, them. All of my Caribbean girls, them. All my West Indian girls, them. I done fucked a million girls, them. With a little ting-a-ling-a-ling, school bell a ring. Hit her with my ding-a-ling-a-ling. Maybe run a train, tell her that my niggas wanna bang. In a little brain, and she wanna hang with the gang with a nigga name.
Shabba ranks, Shabba ranks. 8 gold rings like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 4 gold chains like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. Shabba ranks, Shabba ranks. 8 gold rings like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 2 bad bitches like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. 1 gold tooth like I'm shut, Shabba ranks. I was broke last week, but today be a new day. Motherfuckers like
jump in that, some in that bitch. Jump in that fire. Jump in that bitch, hitting that fire. Jump in that whip, thumb in that bitch. Come in that bitch, ho. Drum in that bitch. Chopper doing circles, it's a bird. Take him to the potty, he's a nerd. Bow. I ain't seen niggas hit corners in the
competition, what's the word? Put that on my mama, nigga, 8 in the process. Nigga tryna tippy-toe through the progress. Tongue-tied when the truth is an object. What's the pros and the cons of this next check? Wasn't nobody round, I was independent. In a 97 bomb with the windows tinted. Heard a bomb got a strap in the potty. Who the fuck like this in the party? Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up, beat him up. I was seeing double in the projects, mad at myself, learned to put it to the side. Mama had to cater for the coupe that we rode after school on the way to pop pies. And niggas wanna play both sides, this a red dot, don't get on the wrong red eye. It's a headshot, they became woo them guys. Fuck around and bag 2 of them guys. I'm OD in Paris, I'm OD in France. I thought that I told you I need the advance. Put down your IG and look through my lens. A million to grandma, who did I offend? The girl of your dreams, to me is a fan. I netted 10 million and did a little dance. I'm fucking the world, I ends in my pants. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance. So then I popped out and did it again, and did it again, and did it again. I cannot respect them, where did he begin? Advice from the council, let nobody in. Been swearing through rumors, avoiding the trends. And dug in the holes, I'm dug in the loony that come with the shows. I'm grateful to Mimmin, he opened up doors. They bung on their tour.
Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on, no up, I did this shit. Got this fine, hoe, no makeup, and she still look bad as shit. She in school, but it's cool, yeah, I still my baddest bitch. I'm as footed like a pool, yeah, my necklace wet as shit. Rapping Balenciaga too, bitch, I'm flyer than a pigeon. Yeah, I stand my paper up way taller than a midget. All these niggas lame as fuck, and they hate cause they don't get it. Yeah, little bitch, I'm cool as fuck, and it's paper that I'm getting. Rock us a gold, but I'm getting told, yeah, I'm on a money mission. All that old shit over, but the whole hoe still a ton of niggas ain't missing. Yeah, I fuck on her, but I can't cuff her, I won't make her misses. I don't know that boy, and I can't tell you how he end up missing. I can't tell you shit. Bust down my neck, bust down my wrist, bust down my bitch, bust down my bitch. I'm fresh as hell, bitch, I'm fly as shit. Yo, this a Hellcat, I'm whipping this. Shot it like hell, yeah, she with the shits. Shot it like hell, yeah, she grab my stick. Shot it like hell, yeah, she grab my shit. Bitch, I wake up, no stylist. Fresh as fuck, I put it on, no up, I did this shit. Got this fine, hoe, no makeup, and she still look bad as shit. She in school, but it's cool, yeah, I still my baddest bitch. I'm as footed like a pool, yeah, my necklace wet as shit. Tell that bitch to keep it bull, and I might just let her kick it. Got her wet just like a pool, I'm finna die right in her kitty. My bitch rockin' this shit too, I buy her that, she buy me this shit. Tell my folks I'm getting rich, it ain't no way I'm washing this. All the pretty hoes coming to my shows, man, this shit get crazy. If I put that bitch, I gotta wrap it or don't want no baby. I'm in the SIT track culture, like my thighs out of Mercedes.
We made it, Lil Shawn Michaels heartbreaker. Still roll around, I'm dangerous. Count up these dead faces. Gave you a number, never saved it. No long talk conversations, just business trips and vacations. Pour white wine on occasion. Stole that bitch and replaced her. Crushed it, then you ate her. If she ain't that, can't save her. No call back, I evade her. I'm not from here like a beta. Skirting something like a spaceship. And this ray gun came with a laser. Overseas smoking on flavors. Killer kill, real stock razor. Woke up today with drop 10 bands and didn't even need a reason. Selling out shows all across the globe and I didn't even have a visa. Talk about cold, but I rock a big cold and somehow I'm still freezing. You don't go to pull, but you're shorty on the pole and somehow you're not eating. She play around with your head and I play around in the stomach. Yeah, there's hate in the air, but I don't think nothing of it. I knew life wasn't fair, so I had to make something of it. Only thing promised is death, so the dead faces we made it. Lil Shawn Michaels heartbreaker. Still roll around, I'm dangerous. Count up these dead faces. Gave you a number, never saved it. No long talk conversations, just business trips and vacations. Pour white wine on occasion. Know that bitch in the blister.
DJ Khaled. DJ Khaled with them straps. I got another one. DJ Khaled, 100 racks. I made another one. DJ Khaled with the tats. I got another one. DJ Khaled with the best. Bitch, I'm number one. Bitch, I'm Ricky of the year. Ain't no running. We ain't running away from shit. We the ones running. No limit gang, the only gang. Ain't no other one. I'm gon' bang what I bang. Ain't no changing. Ain't no changing. I'ma do my thing. Bring to this cash. I'ma buy the ring. Up like the sunrise, I got another son. Ran out of ammo, switched to my other holster, another gun. Damn, like, he got another one. He does. DJ Khaled with them straps, I got another one. DJ Khaled, 100 racks, I made another one. DJ Khaled with the tats, I got another one. DJ Khaled with the best, bitch, I'm number one. Bitch, I'm Rookie of the Year, ain't no running. We ain't running away from shit, we the ones running. No limit gang, the only gang, ain't no other one. I'm gon' bang without bang, ain't no changing. Ain't no changing. My gun a horny one, that bitch thought alright. Last time. Fresh like the first day of school, I'm a scholar. Found a solution and got some more problems. We from the same bus, my dog since a toddler. 16-year-old when I shot my first chopper. Flew out of New Zealand in open locker. Could fly on the Jeep, I fly helicopters. I count every blessing and count every dollar. I'm about to go factory plane. I treat all of my dogs the same. Take out all of my bitches the same. I just hope you financially sane. Never turning my back on the game. From the A, we taught to be brave. Had to squabble and take up for face. Stay right solid, you'll get through the face. Now my nigga, what happened to Virgil? Tell they God I don't wanna get murdered. I got style, I don't know what you heard of. You little pussy, you soft and fertile. Only rumors throughout my circle. Only rumors throughout my circle. R.I.P. Prince, I'm above some purple. 600 made back the one with the curtain. Young on the one of the butt about the Birkin. I'm going hard, know you proud of me working. Riding around the town, slipping and swerving. Hold it down, do the shit with a purpose. Slow it down, man, this shit came from Virgil. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? Oh my God, what happened to Virgil?
On the real chat, drop a like and subscribe before you get out of here. Before you dip.
Yo, I forgot to cue a song. Oh.
Okay,
Everyone,
you need 3 more likes. 3 more likes is coming.
Everyone, please exit the building safely. Yo, yeah, make sure you leave a like before you dip off.
We got 2 more for 300.
300. 200.
Let's go. Let's go. I hear 300, 299. $3.99. Let's get it to 3.
Oh my God.
Becky, look at her butt. There we go. We're at 300.
Hey, 300 likes. Thank you. We beat Wix 9.
I love getting beat. Love seeing success. See, you guys can be more successful than us.
Yeah. Yeah. I got what grand in my dummy up buckle. Cool $250,000, my go yard duffel. I win the game, so you still gotta shuffle. Born with the drip and just learn how to hustle. Look at your bitch through these DR by focus. I get me some hands, she been that shit over. They say
can these likes transfer over to the next stream? So we can just keep riding them up.
Told me I got me in my brother. Went through this cash, left them live on gas. I got your back for the sun from the yeah.
on my mom there, my show is coach. Yeah, my brother. We move too fast, it can slide me in zone. Life is too dumb, and y'all watch for the gun. It's a Rolls Royce and they come with a roll. 2018 and that push Corona. To the quarter ounce. Count. Yeah. Dumb it down.